What's up? If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, my name is Jay Goldfinger and I do hauls, vlogs, so like and subscribe for more content. Today we'll be doing a PsychoBunny haul. Let's get into it. The first one I got is in this color. This is a navy. I really like PsychoBunny. I wear it to work all the time. The quality is great. And I get compliments on it. Like, people always ask me what that logo is, and I love that. There's a little logo. This is very soft. I got this in a size 4. I'll try this on at the end of the video, like always. And I got this one that I'm really excited about. Again, they come very well packaged. And this one is in this neon green color. Neon green is one of my favorite colors. It had a big trend back in the day, back in like 2016, 2015, or 2017. I don't remember. 2015 through 2018, there was a big resurgence of this neon green, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to wear this to work. Here's the PsychoBunny logo. Here's the tag of what it's called. And let me actually show you the tag of the other one as well. Again, this was on sale. So I don't know if they still have it. It's long sleeve. You know, it is summer, but sometimes you need a long sleeve to go inside because the AC is blasting, so I had to jump on it. Either way, I could wear it in the fall or later in the winter. So third item I got was another polo, and this one is in white. I know what you're thinking, white is crazy, right? Because it gets dirty, but I love white. I love it. Is it a color? Is it a shade? I forget. Again, they all come very nicely packed. Here's what it is. Here's the PsychoBunny logo, and here I'm going to throw on the white polo over this tank top so you guys get to see how it looks and how it fits. Again, this is a size 4. I think I bought them all in a 4. Feel classy. Feel like to go play tennis or go to a nice dinner. It's gonna be great to take to a vacation where they have fine dining, or a summer day that it's a little breezy. Still, white is a good summer color. It bounces off the sunlight and it feels very soft and breathable. I wish I would've got more. Let's go on with the next one. I'm trying on the green polo now. This one should be easier to put on. This is what it looks like on. This is size 4. The arm length is perfect. I work out, so I think this is really great. And I'm wearing a tank top right under it. Perfect. Let's go on with the last one to end the haul. Alright, putting on the navy one. So this is the medium. I absolutely love it. It fits so softly on the skin. I can't wait to wear these to work. I work in an office where the AC is blasted all the time. So that's the end of my haul. If you liked it, give it a like. I definitely recommend you getting some PsychoBunny polos. Till next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.